As the world waits for a vaccine to defeat the COVID-19 pandemic, Indian pharmaceutical is proving their class in this race. Covaxin, developed by Hyderabad-based pharmaceutical Bharat Biotech in collaboration with ICMR, got a nod from National Regulatory of India in early July. NIV, a major institute of ICMR, successfully isolated a virus strain and later transferred to Bharat Biotech by ICMR Delhi on May 9. This is where Bharat Biotech started their research. Now human trials of Covaxin began at Post-Graduation Institute of Medical Sciences at Rohtak on July 17. Recently, Patna wing of the Frontier Medical Institution has also started dosing patients. In the first round, 9 people have been dosed so far. Dr. Savita Verma, principal investigator of vaccine trial team, in an interview said that they have planned to test 375 people across the country. Now reports have emerged which say that Covaxin trials, which were started at a medical facility in Rohtak, have shown good results, which may prove to be a game changer in the critical stage of vaccine development. They are now taking various data and in upcoming days they will be giving second dose too. Person on whom test has been done are not showing any side effects, so other might get tested in upcoming days. Dr. Verma believes that this vaccine will be available in market by the end of this year. So how does this vaccine actually works? A vaccine works like a virus and initiates an immune response but without causing major illness. So there are basically few types of vaccines, depends upon the science, type of administrating, like whether it is to be consumed it orally or either injecting into the body. At first, we will discuss about live attenuated vaccine. This vaccine uses a weakened form of a virus and it has a capability to create a strong and long-lasting immunity to fight against foreign virus. So basically, one needs to administer a weakened form of virus into our body. The immune system starts creating the antibodies against it. As this is in a weakened form, the multiplication does not happen to much extent and our body starts creating good immune system. As in this vaccine, we are actually putting a live virus. It may be dangerous to people with low immune power or the person having medical history. Next comes is inactivated vaccine. Here they use dead germs of the virus. These vaccines usually do not provide good immunity as compared to live vaccines. So a person needs a number of doses to create good immune system. Polio vaccines, which comes under inactivated vaccine, as we all know, one has to consume these doses till 5 years of age. There are some other types of vaccines too, such as subunit, recombinant DNA, mRNA, etc. and etc. These are created from some specific pieces of this germ, such as proteins, sugars, etc. As you can see, there are so many vaccines available of this type. Toxin vaccine. In this vaccine, researchers first find about the toxic part of the virus, and this vaccine is made to fight against toxic pieces instead of the total virus. The Bharat Biotech's vaccine comes under the inactivated type of vaccine. So these were the traditional vaccines, which is to inject a weakened or dead version of the virus into the body so that the immune system is prepared to fight the real thing. Currently, many other researchers are using new technology which categorizes into recombinant protein-based virus, a DNA-based vaccine and mRNA-based vaccine. Even though Covaxin was one of the first approved vaccines developed and tested in India, there is still a long road ahead for the vaccine candidates to be approved for mass uses. Experts at the top level are hoping that Covaxin trials in phase 1 and 2 will take up to a year. On the other hand, global contenders such as Moderna, CanSino Biologics, Oxford universities are in their late phase 3 testing. They are promising of having a vaccine ready before 2020. Till date, all top vaccine prototypes have shown safe and promising results in early phases of testing. Apart from Covaxin, Ahmedabad-based Zydus Cadila has also started clinical trials of its prototype. The company is hopeful of getting necessary approvals by March 2021 and has said that it can produce a vaccine for emergent use if the need arises. A total of 7 Indian vaccines are working on a developing COVID-19 vaccine in the country and are in different phases of testing. So I am optimistic that one of the vaccine efforts will give us a foolproof vaccine in upcoming days, as this is the only way to end this pandemic. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. This will motivate us to make good content. Thank you.